Hi guys, I'm Rupanvitha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a painting using wash colors for the very first time in my life. I have always used watercolors, acrylic colors as mediums for my paintings, but I've never used wash. So today I'll be using this artist masterclass wash color set, which comes in pack of 16 20 ml each. So I have no prior experience on gouache colors, but I fell in love with it when I watched some amazing art videos on gouache painting on Instagram. So I thought, let's give it a try and let's explore something new. So it's a totally new medium for me, and I'll be sharing my views, my experience with you all in this whole video. And I hope you people enjoy the video and watch it till the end.
So in this pack there are 16 shades of colors. So first I'll take some red ochre color and then I'll try to make a rose in between. As here I'm creating a flower vase, so I'll be creating one rose in the left side and then consecutively I'll create another rose adjacent to it. So now I will mix some white color with the red ochre color to get the required shade for the rose which I am creating on this black surface. So one thing I really found good about this set of gouache colors, that is they have provided us with 20 ml each, 2 packs of titanium white, and as you know, titanium white is a very crucial color. We require it all the time, and it also gets mixed with other colors very quickly as well. One more thing I found really good about this pack, that is it has provided us with varied shades of colors, and at least they have provided 2 shades for each color, which is very helpful for everyone to acquire the required shades for each color while painting. As I have no prior experience with wash, I was having some issues with the water proportion which was required, at least on the black surface, because whenever we paint on a black surface, the colors really need to be opaque, and as wash is water based, so you need to mix the water with the color in a very light proportion to get the opaque nature in your color so that it gets vibrant on the dark base. So now I am painting a little white flower at the base, and then I'll wait for it to dry so that I can put another layer of white. So now I'll be mixing titanium white and red to get a very nice pink color, light pink color, to paint the next rose. So I'll paint it with this color and then I'll wait for it to dry so that I can give layers on it. For this painting especially, I have selected a dark base because I was actually testing these colors and their opaque nature on dark surface. So for testing them, I thought a black surface or a dark surface would be a good way to measure the quality of these colors. Make sure you wait for the first layer to dry up before applying your second layer, otherwise these layers get mixed up and you don't get the good effect of layering. Now I'll be using the red ochre color directly onto the first rose to increase the intensity of the color. So next I'll be mixing titanium white with blue, specifically ultramarine blue, to get this light blue color. So I love the opaque, vibrant nature of gouache colors on any surface, especially dark surfaces. And you know, there is advantages for these type of opaque colors. It also helps you to to correct your mistakes which you have done while painting. One more thing which I really like about water-based colors like wash, that is it can be prevented from getting dried up just by applying some water, unlike acrylic colors which get dried up very soon. So here I am painting white flowers with the help of small brush. So like this only you can paint lots of flowers using different colors, different shades of colors, and this is a floral painting. You can just use your creativity and create any types of flowers you want. So later I may come up with tutorials of different types of flowers individually using watercolors and gouache colors. So I'm still exploring stuff and still trying to learn about different painting subjects, and also trying to get to know about a subject really more, so that while painting I can give it a much more depth to it. I am trying to learn about different mediums and still learning their techniques, different processes which are used in painting, different subjects with them. And here there is another medium which I have not used yet, that is oil colors. I've still not used oil colors till now. Someday I also have planned in learning it. Painting has always inspired me from my childhood. I don't have any proper teaching in painting, but yes, in school I had visual arts for 2 to 3 years. There I have learned many things like clay modeling, then painting with watercolors and acrylic colors. But apart from that, everything I have learned by my own, and I am still learning. Painting has taught me a lot of things. That is, it has increased a lot of patience level in me, and also I have observed something like if I don't love the whole process of painting something and give up very soon, it is very not satisfactory at all. But if I love the process and I stick to it and I don't give up, finally it turns out to be really beautiful, and that is very self-satisfactory and self-satisfying. If you people have any doubts and any questions, you can leave them in the comment sections below. I'll try to address them in my next videos. So here in this painting I'm putting blobs of colors here and there to fill up spaces which will eventually look like stars with a little bit of highlights here and there. While painting, make sure that you take good care of your brushes, otherwise they will get destroyed and you don't want that. I hope this video is being useful for you guys, for those like me who are beginners in gouache. And also in the comment section you people can give me ideas which I can also try on and I can also explore. I totally love the process of creating because this is really fun and self-satisfying, because I have realized, or I have observed for myself, when I paint a very good artwork, I feel very self-satisfied and inspires me to work more and also work on my perfections, also work on the depth of my painting, and it actually have a very cumulative effect on myself positively. I think any person who is a beginner in gouache can start with these paint set from masterclass, because I feel the price range is also very comfortable. It comes under 1000 and also has a very opaque and vibrant nature to it, which is really a good feature of gouache colors, which is expected. I also have another set of gouache which also comes under 1000. Later on I will make a video on comparison between both. It might help the beginners to select with which to start. Lastly, I am drawing some leaves by mixing green and titanium white. One tip for using gouache colors on black surfaces, that is, directly we shouldn't use dark colors on black surfaces. We should at least mix it with some light colors to have a bit of light and opaque tint to it, because this gives a very vibrant nature to the painting. If you people like this painting, then you people can definitely give it a try. Even with acrylics you can do it. While working on dark surfaces with gouache, you should keep one thing in your mind that I felt, that is, you should not add much water to the color mixture because it dilutes the color and it fades out the opaque nature of your color, and the vibrancy also gets destroyed. So keeping all these things in your mind, you can start off with your gouache journey. I really enjoyed painting this floral subject, and in this painting especially I could use all the colors obtained in the set. This black sheet which I am using in this painting is bought from a local store, and it's actually a thick chart paper, thick black chart paper and nothing else. So finally I am giving some highlights in my flowers, and then I'll eventually move in painting the vase. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will be pleased if this video benefits you. And if you like this video, then do like it, and also subscribe if you want to watch more like this. And till then, bye, and take care of yourselves and try to create more.